How to record GST sales on discount in Tally Prime. In your business, you may be selling items or goods and services at discount to your customers, and you will need tax computation to be done after considering the discount on the amount in the invoice. In Tally Prime, you can record sales invoices for goods and services on discount so that the tax payable is computed considering the discount. You can record GST sales with discount at item level in Tally Prime. While recording a sales transaction, you can easily enter the discount rate or amount for each stock item. To consider discounts for GST sales, you have to create a discount ledger and then select it in the invoice. GST is calculated by considering the discount entered for each stock item after you enable the cash or trade discount option in the invoice. The corresponding tax values will appear in the GST analysis of items on the printed invoice. To create discount ledger for goods, you need to go to the gateway of Tally, select Create, select Ledger and press Enter. In the type of ledger, select As Discount from the type of ledger list. Now the option is GST applicable will be set to not applicable by default. Record GST sales of goods with discount. For that, you need to go to the gateway of Tally, go to Vouchers, press F8 for sales. Select the party account name and the sales ledger. Select the stock item and enter the quantity and rate. In discount, enter the discount rate or the discount amount applicable for the stock item. Select the discount ledger. The total discount amount will be computed and displayed. Please note, you can alter the total discount amount if required. For example, if you want to allow a maximum discount of Rs 50,000 in a bill and your total discount amount exceeds this amount, you can alter the final amount. The discount will be apportioned according to the discount given at the item level. Select the applicable GST ledgers. To display the tax analysis screen, you need to press Ctrl+O. Type or select GST tax analysis and press Enter. To view the detail mode of tax breakup details, you need to press Alt plus F5 as shown in the screen. In the sales invoice, press Ctrl plus P to print the invoice. Record GST sales of service with discount. Your business may involve providing services such as consultancy, distribution, branding and communications, or engineering and construction at a discounted price. In such cases, you can record a sales invoice in Tally Prime with service and discount ledgers. You need to record such a sales invoice for services on discount with a service ledger and a discount ledger. If you haven't created service ledger and discount ledger for services, then you can either create them before recording the sales invoice or on the fly while recording the same. To create service ledger, select sales accounts from the list of groups. Set is GST applicable to applicable. Specify GST details. Set or alter GST details to yes. The GST details for ledger screen is shown. Under taxability, select taxable. enter the integrated tax and says if applicable. Press Ctrl plus A to save. Under type of supply, select services. The service ledger appears as shown in the screen. As always, press Ctrl A to save the ledger. Create discount ledger for services. To create a discount ledger to be used for the sales of services, follow the steps for creating ledgers in Tally Prime with changes mentioned in the procedure. Select indirect expenses from the list of groups. Set is GST applicable to not applicable. Under include in assessable value calculation for, select GST. This will ensure that GST is computed after deducting discount from the amount of service in a transaction. Under appropriate to, select services. The discount ledger appears as shown in the screen. As always, press Ctrl plus A to save the ledger. When you record a transaction with services, you will need to record it in the accounting invoice mode. For this, you need to go to the gateway of Tally, select vouchers, press F8, press Ctrl plus H and select accounting invoice from the list of modes and press enter. Select the party account name and enter details party details screen as applicable. Under particulars, select the service ledger and enter the amount as applicable. Select discount ledger and enter the discount in percentage with minus sign. The discount will get calculated under amount. Select the GST ledgers as applicable. The tax will get calculated. To display the tax analysis screen, press Ctrl plus O. Select GST tax analysis and press enter. Enter the narration if needed. The sales invoice appears as shown in the screen. To print from the sales invoice, press Ctrl plus P. Thanks for watching. Please do comment what you want to see in my next topic. Please share my videos with your nearest one and don't forget to subscribe my channel to get the regular updates. You can click on the info card to watch my previous videos, or you can click on the playlist from info card to know elaborately.